Hey guys, Russell here. We've been talking about rolling the last couple of videos. So now I'm going to show you how to roll out your quads. Okay, it's a little tougher to roll this one out. Again, good core workout. If you watch the other videos, make sure you do this properly and make sure you take your time. Put it down on the ground. You're going to lie on your stomach. Ideally, put it both at the same time, but you could probably just focus on one leg if you want to. Quads in the front again there. Okay, you can get down to plank position. So you're on your hands and or elbows, whatever's more comfortable for you. And same thing. Roll them back, feel that spot, find those tight points, hold it 1 or 2 seconds till they release. Slowly roll yourself forward. Find a tight point, and there's another one. Okay, if I was gonna do one leg, I'd bring the other leg out of the way. Find those points, and again, once you've released all those points, slowly back and forth. Nice and easy. You're gonna find some good tight points on the outside part of your quads, called the vastus lateralis. That's one of your quadricep muscles. Feel a good stretch and a good release through there. Again, take your time. 1 to 2 seconds per inch. You're not going fast. It's not a race. All right. Give that a try. Both sides, take your time. Remember, when it comes to rolling, you only do this every couple of days. Take your time, slow and steady. All right. We'll talk to you soon. Save this video for later and give us a like. Thanks. See ya.